How to set up the Belkin N300 Wi-Fi range extender. First, plug in the Belkin N300. Plug the extender into a wall outlet somewhere that still receives roughly half-strength Wi-Fi from your router. For initial setup, putting it fairly close to the router is usually easiest. Step 2. Connect to Belkin.setup. On your phone or router, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and select Belkin.setup. Your device may warn that this network doesn't have internet access. It's normal. You are temporarily connecting directly to the extender so you can configure it. Step 3. Open the Belkin setup page. Open a web browser while you're connected to Belkin.setup. Go to Belkin.range. The Belkin setup wizard should appear. If it doesn't load automatically, make sure you're still connected to the extender rather than your normal Wi-Fi. The F9K1015 manual specifically instructs users to complete wireless setup through the Belkin.range page. Step 4. Select your home Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for nearby wireless networks, find your home Wi-Fi network in the list, and select it. Remember that the F9K1015 extends the router's 2.4 GHz network and not 5 GHz. Step 5. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Enter the same Wi-Fi password you normally use to connect to your router, then select Next. Step 6. Create the extended network. Check that the displayed Wi-Fi network information is correct and finish creating the extended network. Allow the Belkin N300 a moment to apply the settings and establish its connection to your router. A solid blue status light indicates that the extender has connected successfully. A solid orange status light means it's connected, but the signal from the router is weak. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.